Oh, my bad in advance. I'm looking at the the playback. I was trying to really get it like waist up, man. I ain't trying to give you no no moonshot, so to speak. So blocking the board. I don't want to block the board. So build or break. So now we have to think, what's gonna build you? I'm gonna make a T chart. What's gonna build you? Build or break. Things that's gonna build you is clearly inputs, but some things that can build you. Reading more. This is the most slept on thing that will beat you. I mean, not beat you. It will build you. Reading, eating healthier, very underrated. I've talked to some people that's, been on like plant-based diets or whatever. They say they'll never go back, man. They say they just feel that much of a difference. Just eating better. Working out. Working out. And it's funny, man, because us all living in a society, we know what's good for us. We know what we should do. And that's the only thing, man. You need somebody that's going to be your accountability partner ultimately, right? And I say it all the time, man. You on the right track, just the wrong train. That's it. You on the right track, but the wrong train. That's it. It's just about you having that right vehicle, that right train. You know what I mean? Somebody that can really guide you to that, what you want, what you desire. So build or break. These are things that's going to build you. Reading, eating healthy, working out, mentorship. We can even have subgenres within mentorship. We'll just keep it vague for now. Mentorship. Some people may say yoga or meditation. Blocking the frame. Yoga. Meditation. What are all the things that's gonna build you? I see somebody just join. Drop something in here right now. That's something that can build you. Daily inputs that can build you. And it's the thing too about inputs. Inputs isn't always going to be something that's going to be instant gratification. That's another thing that I needed and wanted to touch on. It's not going to always lead to instant gratification. Take it from me, man. Like if you see, this is just a percentage of my books. Like I got a bookshelf there, bookshelf there. This bookshelf has over 100 books in itself right now. I got more and way more books than that. It's just not in frame right now. But this is the point I'm trying to make. It's books that I've read 6 years ago, 4 years ago that I didn't bear the fruits of those labors of having those inputs of reading those books from 4 years ago that I didn't get the benefit from them until now or a couple months ago or a year ago, right? So this is why these are things that build you. Eating healthy. Now, eating healthy, this can be something that can really change your life for the better within probably like 3 months, right? Eating healthy, working out, same thing. It's a thing, it's a term with working out. I don't know if you guys heard about this, but they call it like newbie gang. Somebody that never worked out in their life or whatever, especially if you like a slimmer guy, skinnier guy and whatnot. When you first start working out, in that first year, you're going to see the biggest, probably the first 2 years, you're going to see the biggest like body transformation ever, man. Cause you put in so much shock on your body. It's a new thing, right? Newbie gangs. So you're going to see that. You're going to see that result. Mentorship, finding the right mentor and you applying yourself. It has to be that. So you will have an accountability partner if you come to a philosopher paradise, but also my only requirement for you is transparency and honesty. Have a sense of integrity about you, and we can do something with that. If you're not going to be real with me, then I know you can't be real with yourself. And the first person you got to look in the mirror is yourself. Self-reflection, right? Build or break. What are the things that break you? And it's funny, man, because in this life thing, it's not really about all the stuff that you do. It's really about all the stuff that you remove out your life. So it's way more things out here that's built to break you than it is to build you, right? It's funny how that's worded. No, it's not funny. It's actually sick. But break, what's going to break you? Doom scrolling. Doom scroll. I know the comments, man. Y'all can give me a list of 50 things off the top of your head that's going to break you. Doom scrolling. IG, Instagram, TikTok. Even the platform I'm on now, YouTube, right? Because I like to call it the 2 E's. When you're on YouTube, it's 2 things you're looking for. You're either looking to get educated or you're looking to get entertained. And we're human. Yes, from time to time, we want to be entertained. But when we want to be overstimulated all the time and we have to get constantly entertained, that is a big issue. It's not spoken on enough. YouTube, doom scroll, IG, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. Oh my goodness, this not about to be in frame how much stuff I can write in here that's made to break you. Processed food. Your 9 to 5. That's built to break you. 2 folds, man. It's built to break you like mentally and physically. 9 to 5. You know, and don't get me wrong, some people do enjoy their 9 to 5s, but like I said, once again, over here, aspiring entrepreneurs. So we'll keep that list like that. Build. You can build on reading, eating healthy, working out, mentorship, yoga, meditation. What can break you? Doom scrolling, IG, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, processed foods, being inactive, so not working out. That's another thing that can do you in. So what I want you guys to do for another actionable step is this. So you guys right now, depending on what you do for a living, you can work remote. You can work remote, or you can drive to work. You can commute to work every day, or you might work one of these jobs. Like, let's say you're a tradesman, right? You do heating and cooling, right? And you do or you could be a door-to-door salesman, right? And door-to-door in the sense where you're still driving a vehicle. Let's say you have to go to 3 houses a day. Well, I would say this: start your day off doing this. I know this sounds crazy, man, but just take the actionable step. You guys can't afford right now. You can't afford not to take advice. What are you about to lose not taking advice? Just ask yourself that. Try it. It don't hurt to try. It's crazy because sometimes, we subconsciously we're in a rush to try the things that we know is bad for us. Well, I said subconsciously, so you don't know, but you do it for so long. It's a time where you have to wake up and be conscious to all the bad that you're doing to yourself. So just try this. I'm about to tell you, when you're driving to work, turn off the music. You heard it. Turn off the music when you're driving to work. Now, me personally, I'm about to give you real world situations, right? Me, if I probably drive more than 30 minutes, I'm nodding off, right? So if you guys got to commute 45 minutes to work and you like me and you start nodding off after 30 minutes and no music, or maybe you got a higher threshold where you can drive in silence for a whole hour without any music, without nodding off, and now it's unsafe and all of that, then do so. because it's important to give yourself time to think. A lot of us don't give ourselves time to do introspection. A lot of us don't give ourselves time to think. We have to reflect. If we don't reflect, then we don't look inward to change things outwardly, right? So just give me all that nugget. So what I would prefer you guys to do is, like I said, you might have a job where you got to make 5 stops a day. Let's say you an Amazon delivery driver. And, oh man, I can only imagine. Y'all probably got 120 stops a day. I'm not even being dramatic. Probably bare minimum, right? So the first initial stop, when you know your first initial run, no music, and no music to a point where, like I said, you only want to cut the music off if you feel yourself about to probably nod off, right? I'm gonna give y'all leeway with that. Why? We need to think of our day and how we want our day to go, even afterward, right? So we need to think about how we're going to use our time during work to squeeze in moments where we can be doing positive inputs, right? And then I challenge you to do this: turn the music off on the way going home. Why? Because if you've been listening to this video, the way we start our day is really everything. So if we started our day off right, then we should already have our day planned. So when we leave off from work, guess what? No music. We can just think and have clarity on what we need to get resolved, how we need to attack, our goals for the day, our inputs for the day, after work, post work. This is a game changer because it goes a long way. Why? Because music can distract you. Sometimes music can distract you in a way where if you've been listening to music on the way home, then what you probably about to do when you get home, you probably about to listen to even more music, and that can be a distraction in itself, right? Something to think about. See if I got any comments here. Hey man, y'all appreciate this video, man. Like up the video. Like I said, I want to be more consistent for you guys. I'm sorry that this is such a long video, and it's a long video of me coughing and having to take constant water breaks and stuff like that. But bear with me, man. I think that's gonna probably be my next topic that I go live on: accountability partner. And everybody needs an accountability partner, but this is the thing: you can't just have any old accountability partner too. And I'm gonna give you the little nerd version, and I'm gonna break it down in simplicity so it's comprehensible, of course, but it's neuroscience behind that as well. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you don't value the check-in, the accountability check-in from another person, man. And I'm gonna tell you the factors that sways, that shifts that. Anyways, man, I'm about to stop with the yapping. I think I've been on here long enough for you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to touch base with you guys, give you guys some type of value, even though I am sick. Hope you guys been listening tight and everything like that. And yeah, man, if you made it this long, drop a 2 in the comment section. And if you made it this long, give yourself a pat on the back, because today it is Sunday. And I know for the most part, maybe you guys are off today. Maybe this is like your free day and you're taking this time to actually educate yourself and actually problem solve. I'm not here to just give you motivational rushes and hits to where, oh, I mean, that's great if that's gonna get the gears moving and get you guys up and at it, moving, yada yada yada. That's cool and all, but what I really want to do is give you guys problem solving solutions. I'm not here to tell you like most of these other guys, just grind, bro. I'm not here for that, bro. I'm here for you. I'm your guide. I'm about to give you problem solving solutions, man. I'm not about to just keep telling y'all that you gotta grind, bro. You just gotta lock in, bro. if that if that just works for somebody to keep telling you that 100 times, that it would have worked 99 times ago, right? I don't know, man. So recap what we talked about today. What was it? We talked about you've been lied to about focus, built to delay. You know what, man? I got to move on to my next task. It is 1:30 right now. I got to get up out of here, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's Hef, man. Don't be stuck and done forever. Let's learn and grow together. I'm out.